Hello, it's Reese's Addict again. I'm just going through some of the items that I picked up at Hobby Lobby today. This was $9.99, but it was on sale today for $2.49. They've got a 75% off clearance going on. Okay. This is by Paper House. It is called At the Beach Collection, and primarily these are for scrapbookers. But I cut them down and use them for making cards. I was thinking that when I do finish using this, I would even cut it right along there and make probably a 5x7 out of that right there. All right, it comes with some puffy stickers and these words right here, and some little shapes that are kind of nautical and beach-like. It also comes with this sheet, this 12 by 12 sheet of stickers. A lot of it is alphabet, but there are some very nice and interesting stickers that you can use, of course, for scrapbooking, but you can even use them in making cards. This right here, I think primarily I would use this as background. But that's not to say that it couldn't make a cool card. It's really more about your imagination. Here is the back. It's this light blue, teal, minty color. This, I think you could get a couple of really nice cards out of it. 5x7 here, 4x5 right here. Maybe even a landscape one. And the back has some good background paper on it. Okay. Here's that cool, peaceful looking boat that was on the front. Let's see, hopefully that'll stay where it's at. And you could make a couple of great cards out of this. And the back of it is that minty. This looks like it's a little bit different colors, slightly. And you get 2 sheets of cut-aparts. These really make great cards. The ones with the lines on them, you can use on the inside of the card and, you know, put your own sentiment, you know, how you sign a card, put a little bit of your thoughts down. But these are very pretty cut-aparts, and you do get 2 sheets of them, which is great, because potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 12 cards right there. This is beautiful with the seagrass or the sea oats there. Oh, I forgot to show you the back of these. The cut-aparts have this as the back. And here's your oats or seagrass. You could 4x6 here, 5x7 here. You could even use this. You can get potentially 3 or 4 cards out of this. And the back has some vertical stripes. Make great background. And this is the one that was in the front. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this little video concerning At the Beach collection that is currently on sale at Hobby Lobby for $2.49 during their clearance. Thank you for stopping by Risa's Attic, spending a little time with me. God bless you. Bye-bye.